TC, what game was you playing a while ago?
Mario Galaxy.
Mario Galaxy?
Yep.
What did you need to play Mario Galaxy with?
The untuck and the Wiimote.
The Wiimote and the unchuck.
Yeah.
The unchuck. Kids say the darndest things. I gotta start recording them. I missed some of the ones he said when he first started talking. Like, oh no. Say oh no.
Oh no.
See, it ain't nothing like when he first started talking. Let's go.
Come on.
Yeah, get in front of me. Walk. So I can record you. I can't record you if you're not walking. Walk.
I am.
Walk frontwards. I'm getting you on camera.
I did.
Yeah, we're getting you back on camera. Go. Where we going now?
Let's go play with the puppet.
Mm-hmm. Now, what did Daddy buy you last night at GameStop?
My dad.
And
I don't know.
I bought you a, what else I had to buy for you to play Mario Galaxy?
The untuck.
The unchuck, that's right. Come on, let's go see the pups for a minute. That's the unchuck.
Do it.
Be sweet, move.
Then
Go in.
they don't let it out.
No, if you hurry up and get in.
Get in. Puppies. Ah!
You want to run around the yard with you for a little bit? Oh, crap. Hold that.
Ah!
My pants fell down coming in. What's wrong?
Don't do a dancing. I'm hurting me.
Come on.
Someone hurting me like that.
Go in the yard, TC. Hurry up. Let's go. Come on, pups. Y'all come play over here for a little bit.
Come on, puppy.
Come on, they'll come.
I'm not coming. I'm not coming.
Call for them. Yep, up. Come here. Run over here, TC. Run over here. Run over here. Stand up. Stand up. TC, stand up. Run over here. Well, you just laying down there, so that's your fault. Run over this way. Don't go that way. I don't want them over that way. Stay in front of me. Over here. Run over here.
No.
Here, puppies. Come here. Come here. Here, pup. Come over here towards me.